what's going on, guys? Hope all is well. Today is May 8th, 2023. I'm going to a call for no AC. It says no AC in conference room and 2 offices. I believe it's a zoned split system. I think they have Carrier Infinity heat pumps over there, so they're not cooling in they're not cooling in 3 offices, but I believe 1 system. So let's see what it is when we get there. I hope the weather is nice wherever you guys are, like it is here. It's like 75, 74 right now, the radio just said. And there's leaves on the trees. The sky is blue, so that's good. All right, let's see what it is. Not good. This is what I'm looking for. A snapshot. Uh-oh. Ten 10:37 a.m. Well, that's because so the time's wrong, but that's today's date. So we're looking for one of these units again. The other day, I was here for the same issue on that unit. Now I have to look for the model serial number on the other unit. It ends with 267. It's almost the last one. 50, that's running. $267, and it's running. Let me gauge up. Get some gauges and check my pressures. It's probably gonna shut off. It's probably going through its little run. This isn't even tight. That's crazy. That one is. Feel the compressor kick on and then shuts right down. Back to the inverter compressor fault. Standing pressure 206 or 207, 208. See if the compressor jumps back on and off again. System just shut down. See if it restarts itself. Standing pressure still. Okay, just started up again. Let's check to see if our pressure comes down on our suction side. Okay, I can hear the compressor trying to kick on, but I don't see my pressure chart. See, it just stopped. So I don't even see my pressure change a bit. I just have my hand here. I felt it kick on and then it kicked off, or tried to kick on and kick off. Now we'll pull the jacket off the compressor. It's recommended that we get surge protectors for every one of these units. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 13, and the mini split over there. 14. Mitsubishi back here too. Final test, the carrier service or tech support told me to disconnect the inverter and see if I get a different error code at the user interface thermostat. If I do get a different error code, then the inverter board is most likely good because it is communicating the fact that probably shouldn't have touched that so soon, but now we're looking for a different code than error 69, which was compressor and inverter board. We'll get a different code, then the inverter's bad too, she said. Good. So I got 48 lost inverter communication. This carrier says that tells us that the inverter board itself is good. The compressor's bad based on the test. I'm gonna swap this inverter with this unit. I turned this off so the capacitors can kill themselves for a couple minutes. I'm gonna pull this out and see if I could get it to kick on. Then I'm getting mixed messages from carrier. Everything that's supposed to checks out. So I didn't tell them I'm doing this. I just want to check for myself. I need to know. Come over here, take this off. I got the power off. Okay, if this starts to get cold, I'll throw my gauges on so I could just show you guys a visual, but I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna be compressor problem, but we'll find out. That code, and I'm getting my 69, so 4, 5, 6, and then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is my compressor inverter fault. So this is the one that we took the board out of. It's cooling. That's good. This is the one that's down. I'm leaving the power on to avoid any kind of communication errors, to have more codes. If it was me, I'm going to say it's just the compressor because the board's doing the same thing regardless of which unit. So we're going to leave it as just the compressor. And if it is the inverter after the fact, then it is. But everything checks out for me on the inverter side. So, guys, thank you for watching. I don't want to sound unsure of myself, but I'd rather order a compressor and put that in. And if it is the inverter board, like Carrier was saying, it's both. I mean, I don't know how it's the inverter board if it's giving me the same exact error when I swap the inverter board. I'm still getting my compressor error. When I pulled the inverter board before to get a different code, I got error code 48. When I told Carrier that, the lady said that it still can be the inverter board. I don't think it's the inverter board. I think it's just the compressor. And we're going to leave it at that. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. Thank you.